How to use conversations in Maybe. In this video, we'll explore the Conversations tab, a central hub for all your communication needs. This feature integrates various platforms like Instagram, Google My Business, and phone calls, ensuring you never miss a message. It's a seamless integration for efficient communication across all your channels. To benefit from this feature, ensure your accounts are integrated. Without integration, platforms like Google My Business or Instagram won't sync. From Settings, select Integrations. Connect all your social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and LinkedIn, as well as your company Google My Business page, and all your email accounts for you and your team. Now to take you for a tour of the Conversations tab. Upon accessing the Conversations tab, you'll find Unread Messages. As you can see here currently, there are no unread messages. However, this section would typically show your most recent unread messages. You can filter your conversations by recent messages or by starred messages. You can highlight important conversations by marking them as starred. All. This is your go-to section for a comprehensive view. If you are unable to find a conversation in unread or starred, then switch to all. It's also the best place to search for past conversations. Messages are displayed in a unified thread, regardless of their format. So all your communications with one contact are in one thread. Icons help you identify the message type at a glance. Communications sent via text message will display a green text message icon. If the communication has been a phone call, then you will see a phone icon, and if call recording is enabled, you'll also see respective icons to show the call has been recorded. If your contact has sent an email, then an email icon is displayed. You can easily identify messages sent via social media channels from the social media logos. When responding to messages, the system defaults to the format of the last received message. For example, if a contact switches from email to text, your reply will default to text. You can access basic contact information and dive deeper into your contacts by clicking on the contact's profile icon. You can easily archive, delete or star messages. We highly recommend marking messages as read once they have been responded to. This helps to keep your unread tab organized. To keep up to date, the All tab is essential for daily review, either by you or a team member. It's where all crucial sales conversations and pre-appointment discussions happen. As you interact, you'll see the system's responsiveness in real time, confirming the effectiveness of your communication setup. The Conversations feature is a powerful tool for streamlining communications in your business. We encourage you to incorporate it into your daily operations to enhance engagement and efficiency.